What I found most effective is actually modeling the process of reflection for my students and thinking out loud when I am reflecting. So usually when students are involved in problem-based projects, I go through the design thinking process with them, modeling the different design thinking practices and mindsets. As I model, I am demonstrating these practices and also drawing attention to my thinking and the techniques that I'm using. So for reflection, I'm demonstrating how I personally reflect on my learning within the context of the problem-based project, showing students my thinking process when reflecting. The more you model and have students see it as just part of the process, they'll see it as an expectation, almost as a routine, something that's essential to learning and creative problem solving. One thing to try is when you see a great example of students identifying a new learning through their own reflection, bring attention to it to the class and demonstrate how that new learning can help the student progress in completing their problem-based project. It becomes tangible. It helps students see the benefits of reflecting on their learning. And the more and more you show them, the more they will see it as just part of learning. It's really about changing the culture of thinking in your classroom. A book I recommend reading is Creating Cultures of Thinking by Ron Richard that focuses on 8 culture shapers, one of which is modeling. Just want to let you know that I am planning to create a digital learning experience for educators who want to take a deeper dive into design thinking. They will get to meaningfully experience the methodology itself and learn how to design authentic learning experiences that are optimal for design thinking integration. So if you would like to learn more about this, please check out the description of this video. So until next time, stay perpetually in beta, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.